Welcome everyone. Today we're here to talk about a topic that I've gathered some information to share with you. So let's dive in. So I'm going to talk to you about Stormgate. This is a trading platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. This website Stormgame was actually launched in 2019 by Stormgame Limited, and I'm going to talk to you about the how you can use this website to earn yourself some cryptocurrency. So this has a miner feature offered by this Storm game platform that allows its user to mine cryptocurrencies using their own computer or mobile device. So you can do this on a computer or a mobile device. So is available for both Mac and Windows systems, and it supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many. The Bitcoin Cloud Miner, and it has a mining speed of 0.5. This is the standard speed when you actually first log in, and it has this mining speed can get to a higher number. Basically, how you get your mining speed to be faster is by trading on this website and on this platform. So as you can see, the gold one actually offers better mining speed of twice the time, and you get more USDT mined in a day. This doesn't actually use your hardware like your GPU or graphics card. It's completely the website does the mining for you, so it doesn't use your computer or phone at all. So basically, the higher you get on ranks, the mining speed is goes higher. So if you can get to example VIP 5, you would actually earn a lot of USDT, which is highly unlikely you will get there, but if you do, it would be amazing. This is how much you would earn in a day. This is how much you would earn in a week, and on the right side is how much you would earn on a month, basically. But realistically speaking, if you could get to diamond or VIP 1 example, that would be a good level to get, and you would actually mine some decent amount of numbers of USDT that you could use for anything you want. Basically, trade them, invest them in something, or I don't know, use them however you like to. So yeah, that's basically this information. And what you're gonna do is, firstly, you're gonna click here on Get Started. You're gonna enter a valid email, a valid number, and you need to verify both of them. And then yeah, you basically got yourself an account on Stormgame. Now this is a trading platform if you want to check it out for anything you need. But what we're going to be focusing on is on the miner here. So this is the Bitcoin Cloud Miner. I've actually started this for almost an hour, and it's mined actually this amount of Bitcoin or transferable to USDT. So as I said, to increase the speed of this, what you need to do is trade on this side, and then you would get to higher levels of mining speed, and then basically mine more and more of Bitcoin. Another way you can do this, another way you can get more is refer a friend. Tell your friends about this site and send them your link, and you would get a 15% bonus of what they mine and what they withdraw and trade on their account. So you would get that bonus as a reward for inviting them to the site. So now we're gonna check out here. As you can see, here are the this is a pretty user-friendly interface, and as you can see, here are the levels you can get to, where your mining speed would get better, faster, and you would mine more and more. cryptocurrency here. So this basically trade and invite your friends, invite a lot of, as much as you can, of your friends, of people who you know, to actually join this island mine that would help you actually reach some of these levels, and you will get a 15% bonus of what they mine and withdraw. Here I'm just checking what levels of mining, how much that you profit if you reach a certain level, and this is how, and this basically gets achieved, as I said. Invite your friends and trade on the site. This is just an overview of how the ranks or levels work. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You don't need to do or know something special about it. Pretty straightforward. And if you have any questions that bother you, here they are. And if you could use that, you could use those questions down to actually understand whatever you want to know about it. And I would say to you guys that if you please, if you want, you can use my invite link, so that would help me out a lot. And thank you if you use it. And here, as you can see, here are questions. Whatever you need to know about, whatever questions you have here, they are answered. Pretty straightforward. And please do use my invite link, that would help me out a lot. Anyway, basically this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps you in any way possible, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more informational and good videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.